The Antichrist sitteth in the temple of God. The Bible predicts that the Antichrist will sit in the temple of God. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2. Let no man deceive you by any means, for unless there come a revolt first, and the man of sin be revealed, the son of perdition, who opposeth and is lifted up above all that is called God, or that is worshipped, so that he sitteth in the temple of God, showing himself as if he were God. But what is the temple of God? Father Herman Kramer was a Catholic priest who spent 30 years studying and writing a book on the apocalypse. In his book, he wrote the following about St. Paul's prophecy concerning the Antichrist sitting in the temple of God. Quote, St. Paul says that the Antichrist sitteth in the temple of God. This is not the ancient temple of Jerusalem, nor a temple like it built by Antichrist as some have thought, for then it would be his own temple. This temple is shown to be a Catholic church, possibly one of the churches in Jerusalem, or St. Peter's in Rome, which is the largest church in the world, and is in the fullest sense the temple of God. Father Kramer astutely points out that in order for the Antichrist to sit in the temple of God, as sacred scripture says, he must sit in a Catholic church. In fact, he must sit in the most prominent Catholic church in the world, which has been hijacked and overtaken by the Antichrist and his supporters. The Antichrist will not and cannot sit in a rebuilt temple of Jerusalem, as many have thought, because this would certainly not be the temple of God, but the